Hey guys, CES 2013, guess what? We are now with Lexus. And believe it or not, we're with one of the new technology of the cars. Please tell me, we have Jason here. Let me know exactly what your program is about.
Sure. So this is our Advanced Active Safety Research Vehicle. It's a new test vehicle purely for research that we've fitted out with advanced GPS, LiDAR, forward and side-facing cameras, radar. It's all meant to really test out some new innovations with really a strong focus for safety. So we've got this display as well as two others really focused on talking about the technology that we have, sort of a layered approach to building new safety technologies to really solve the traffic fatalities we have here in the U.S.
What is your main, aside from all the cameras on here itself, what's your hope, ultimate goal, trying to make it a car safer to drive on the roads?
Sure. So this particular vehicle, the Advanced Active Safety Research Vehicle, all of the sensors and gears that you see around it, really that's meant to give it more situational awareness. So using, for example, the 360-degree LiDAR sensor on the top, it gets a really great picture of what's going on around it. So using that kind of data, we can then look for ways to make the drive safer and look for ways to really inform the driver of their environment so that they can make better driver decisions. For us, the driver is always going to be in control. There are many situations where, frankly, technology can't always see things. So it's important that the driver is in control and we're informing the driver of how to make better decisions. For us, we feel a more skillful driver is a safer driver.
Awesome. That is actually very good. Were you looking for more audio versions to self-aware the driver of what, if there's a dog next to him, or if there's a child behind him, or if there's a biker ahead of him?
Sure.
And where is this mostly situated? Where are you trying to target this toward, just a general audience, or for just the Lexus themselves, Lexus brand name?
Sure. So this is a research vehicle, so it's not, quite frankly, I think if we tried to sell this in the market, people might say it's not aesthetically or aerodynamically correct.
Just a bit.
Yeah, just a little off on that one. But again, it's a research vehicle, so it's really all about studying the environment. And if you combine a vehicle sensing technology like this with intelligent transportation systems, which help us look around corners, and figure out what stop signs are and where they're at and things like that. So you combine all that data, it really makes for a much more safe driving experience. Around 32,000 people die every year on U.S. roads, and for us, that's really kind of a shame. It's like Juneau, Alaska, just falling off the map. So our first priority, is really just to make sure that we're solving that problem and looking for ways to make the driving experience safer.
Right, great. Speaking of Alaska, since we're from Utah, we have a lot of snow, a lot of black ice, and all that fun stuff. Have you done any testing on icy roads?
That's a great question. So I think it's safe to say that Michigan has a similar climate, and this vehicle's been on the road at our test facility in Michigan, in Ann Arbor, actually, at our research institute, for about the last year. So I had a chance to experience ice and curbs and the like. So it's certainly not exactly Utah, but a close proximity.
I think it's actually better than Utah because they have that lake effect, which just drives the roads nuts.
Yeah, absolutely.
But I'd like to thank you for your time. I'm really hoping to see that we get some innovation technology from this because, safer roads always mean better driving, because we all see the horrible driving decisions some people make when sometimes technology just doesn't help that. But
we're all sharing the same roads.
Yeah, we are, guys. So hopefully we can be seeing safer roads out there with the technology providing us with more awareness.
Great.
Thank you, Jason.
Thank you
for all your time. Ktdata.net. Back to CES, guys.